Open fire. My foes deceased. Click, clack, blah, blah. Now watch him get in the feast. I consume your fake MCs like Mickey D's. Oh geez, get in it with some extra G's. My raps are a king size. I am a big deal. While you get your raps from boxes of Happy Meals. Tell me, bitch, just how it feels when these rhymes reach your soul. You will start to squeal. My raps are a graveyard. Consider me an undertaker in this motherfucking cemetery. Now watch my words gon' split you hard. Pull the trigger 6 feet deep. Your body is going to be buried. Challenge me? What, you are kind of retard? Most of my enemies left the battle shitting on themselves in a scurry. Now did you like my poisonous rhymes? I got some secret punchlines that kills your ears and leaves your vision blurry.
كدرت النوايا السودة بما اني ماشي بدنيتك انا قتل من مشاعر قذرة ومكبوتة بفور الدم مثل ما بفور الشامبانيا بضيع المخ بعشعش الويل جوا صوتي بحفر اسمي على قبر غريمة بيناقش لاتيني مستحيل اشبع قبل ما شبع على سكينة ما بتتعب بعيني ما بتغريني 1000 عاهرة لو 10 نسوان عيساري و10 على يميني من ابرز هوايات اللعب بعداد عمري مو سهل كسري محلول انت مسحب وريدي عما يسري احترامي قصري رغم فقري انا صاحب السمو وغابة البشر قصري عكسك تماما اذا بيضيعك الكحول انا بيصحصحني وبرغمك تستنفر احتراما بشوف الدنيا من بارود رصاصتي اذا انت ولهان وشايفها من فتحة قوت
1, 2, 3, execute him on the floor 30 getting now, but I keep asking for more. Wanna trap me, Popo fine just loaded on the floor. So keep your speed limits, or your car get a blow. Motherfuckers, I ain't threatening, I'm fucking promising. Opponents finna go to hell, but them heads are missing. I'll never quit this shit as long as fans listen. So haters lick my balls and drink the beer that I'm pissing. Thug mind, thug attitude, thug is the best. Try to fuck with us, bitch, and die like the rest. We smoke the best blunt, so choke with your hash. You pay for bills while we throw it in the trash. Bitches on the lap, bitches taking a nap. All the bitches I fuck like to get slapped. I'm on top of the world, gonna be the #1, no doubt. And you still lost, affected by the last gush cloud, motherfucker.
Red one,